Has your IKEA Poang chair seen better days? Don't throw it away. Upcycle it with one of our custom slipcovers. Choose from fabrics like velvet, cozy boucle, or European linen. Our covers are a universal fit for all Poang cushions, and they're super easy and quick to install. Best of all, they're 100% machine wash and dry. Perfect for the whole family. Sustainability really matters to us, so please upcycle instead of dispose. We pride ourselves on high quality for an affordable price, so check out our reviews. Rescue your old IKEA chair with our custom slipcovers for the IKEA Poang.